What's up everybody, today I'll show you the F64 modification. This is the back side of adapter like this. You can modify it like this as you see on the picture, and this is the front side of the adapter. The adapter like this, you just simply solder or connect with the ISP printout with the box. This is a A25, and after we connect, we open the tool and click the connect button, and as you see it's now connected. And first, if we just have not connected, we just choose the ISP booster, and as you see it's now connected, and remove FRP simply. It's just simple for Android 16, and I think for 17 it works. As you see, the modification is very simple. If you modify exactly as you've seen on the picture on the video, it will simply connect the UFS simply, and after we just have done the work, we disconnect from the F64 box and we power on the phone. It works, and I'll make another video on MMC in another video, and thanks for watching.